In this session, let us learn about cleaning wrong format. Data of wrong format. Cells with data of wrong format can make it difficult or even impossible to analyze data. To fix it, you have two options: remove the rows or convert all cells in the column into the same format. Convert into correct format. In your data frame, we have two cells with the wrong format. Check out row 22 and 26. The date column should be a string that represents a date. See here 22 and 26. See here 22. See, it is none, and 26 also is wrong formatted. Let us try to convert all cells in the date column into dates. Pandas has two date time method for this. See here, see, by using date time method, see here they are totally converted. As you can see from the result, the date in row 26 was fixed, but the empty date in row 22 got a not a time value. In other words, an empty value, one way to deal with empty values is simply removing the entire row. See here 26 it was fixed, but 22 it is a not a time. Removing rows. The result from the converting in the example above give us a value which can be handled as a null value, and we can remove the row by using the drop NA method. See here, by using drop NA method we can remove that. See, it's dropped, totally went. Okay friends, this is the end of part 11, cleaning wrong format. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Pandas fixing wrong data. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.